most people have that confusion when they go to do afa. When they want to inquire, they'll be like, oh, I want to know my chi Onye Uwa. I want to know my chi. You know, they want to, and that confusion has been created by the plenty wave of priestesses that are in the space right now. So many people are unclear about the similarity or the sameness that the chi and the chi Onye Uwa is one person. So now we have this understanding that I am in this present plane, me, Eunice Adimora, and my chi is my guardian angel. Now, my chi Onye Uwa is the person I know to have reincarnated. But I want to ask you, is it everybody that has a reincarnator?
Yes, every human being has an incarnator.
Every human being. I have an understanding that there are old souls and there are new souls. Old souls are souls that have gone and come back again to relive their life, you know, due to their Iwa and all that. They've come back to life to live again. The new souls are those who have not had an earthly experience before. So are you trying to say now that even these new souls that have not had an earthly experience, they've never gone and come back, they also have incarnators?
Yeah, what I'm trying to say here is that as long as you are a human being,
Okay.
you have come to this world, yeah, you have an incarnator.